Welcome to Tool Spec. We have lots of snow this year, so let's review a snow shovel. So this is the MELLIF 18 volt Milwaukee compatible snow shovel. And now this snow shovel has been sponsored by MELLIF so that we can review it and put it through some hard tests and see what it can do. Here's what's included in the box. First of all, your operation manual and the safety precaution. Second thing, you have your snow shovel. It comes in 3 pieces. I'm going to show you how to assemble this in 1 second. Actually 4 pieces if you count the handle. It also comes with the 18 volt battery. Now the 18 volt battery is a 4 amp hour. MELLIF used the Sales 18650 into their battery. It also comes with the charger. The charger actually is a plug-in like this. This charger is a 21.5 volt at 1.1 amp hour. And because this is a 4 amp hour battery, so I expect that this will take about 4 hours to charge a battery like this. Now, if you have Milwaukee batteries, you can use the Milwaukee charger to charge those batteries, or you can just use your Milwaukee batteries. MELLIF actually use the same technology than most of the brand name manufacturer about the overcharging, overheating technology building into their battery, short circuit technology and their tools too. It can clear snow up to 12-inch wide, 6-inch deep. And the neat thing about it is the fins. You can actually, contrary to most of the snow shovel out there, which just shoot the snow straight at front of you. This one, you can shoot the snow straight, or you can turn it 30 degrees on one side or 30 degrees onto the other side. So this is a really cool feature about it. Now let's assemble it. So you're gonna see that there's arrows here. The arrows goes towards the handle. So you're gonna see that there's knobs here onto the shaft. And there's actually those 2 bigger groove on the side here. So you just have to line this up. Make sure that the collar here is pushed all the way. And now you can lock it up in place. We're gonna do the handle next. It's gonna be the same thing. If the lock collar is too low and you cannot push it in enough, that might be because the bracket for your handle is too low. Just twist the bracket up. Now you can push it back up and we can slide this into her handle and just lock it. Make sure you pushed it all the way. If you're having trouble with your snow shovel not started after you put it together, it might be because it's not pushed in all the way and you don't have proper contact here. But if you just give it a good push like this, it's going to be fine. Now we're going to install our handle. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's grooves all the way around. And there is actually, remove this adjusting knob here and the bolt. And I don't know if you see this, but there's 4 lines in here on each side of the handle. They fit right into those grooves so that you can actually adjust the handle in whatever direction that you're comfortable with. So I'm gonna just put it upright for now. We're gonna put the bolt back in and just screw in our handle until it touch and until it doesn't move back and forth on the shaft. The batteries usually come with half a charge or 3/4 of a charge. Well, this one is actually showing a full charge on it, but everything looks brand new. But most battery will be coming with half a charge. This battery is a 18 volt, 4 amp hour, 72 watt hour. Now let's see. The shaft here seems nice and solid. The fins don't seem too flimsy. They seem pretty good. Now the auger The hugger can spin up to 2,400 RPM, and this is pretty fast, but they have a metal shaft that goes right through. It is just plastic, as most snow shovels are. There is your removable scraper at the back. Well, I say removable, you have to unscrew it, but if you add some burr in there, or you want it to sharpen it, or, you know, do some repair to it, you can take it out and fix it if you need it to. But it seems that everything is pretty solid. I have some brand name snow shovel, a power snow shovel, and they pretty much feel the same. Now this shovel here will weigh 7.9 pounds, which is fairly light and easy to maneuver around. Now we're going to put the battery in so that we can test it and see about the noise. Now the noise level on the one that is compatible with DeWalt was saying that it was 90 decibel. So I expect, yeah, this is also 90 decibel. So this is the exact same one. They're just different color and use different batteries. But other than that, they look very similar. There's lots of space for mittens and or big gloves. So your trigger is locked right now, so you have to push either way on this lock mechanism here to release it. And let's hear it. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not bad at all. MELLIF uses brushless motors in all of their snow shovel. They're using the brushless motor model number 4830, which is a bigger motor that most of the snow shovel brand are going to use out there. Most of them will use the 3825 motor. So this is very good. The shovel can throw the snow up to 17 feet, and we're going to test that. And this is the model number MFSS02-12. The battery is actually not charged all the way, as this light indicator will turn green when it's done charging. If you read the instruction, it's going to tell you to never leave the battery inside the tool when you're storing it, and it's normal for most manufacturers. Also, the batteries, lithium batteries, it's very important that you don't let those freeze. So bring those inside or somewhere where it's above the freezing point. We're gonna run some tests with those two batteries. So I got the 4 amp hour MELLIF battery that is compatible with the Milwaukee project, and I got the Milwaukee 5 amp hour. Both of them are fully charged. I got some nice wet heavy snow here. It was raining all morning. We're in mid-January, so it's still colder. This afternoon it went down to -2, so now everything is freezing again. And this is the kind of snow that we're gonna put this shovel through the test. We're gonna do the first test using the MELLIF 4 amp hour battery. Well, that failed the test pretty quick. It went on, there we go, went on over on protection mode so it wouldn't break anything. We haven't broken anything here. We're gonna try it again. Mind you, this is the kind of slush I have underneath here, fairly heavy. Now here's the advantage of this shovel, is you can actually turn the fins here by turning that knob. Now we're gonna throw off our snow sideways. So if there's one kind of snow that could be hard on the snow shovel, it's this stuff. I don't blame that for stalling the first shot, but I think I was going too deep of a snow too fast. After I slowed down, everything seemed to be okay. Now let's do the same test with the Milwaukee battery. It actually feels stronger to me with the 5 amp Milwaukee battery. So maybe that's all it needs. It needs to have a brand name battery with a little bit more amp. Maybe a 6 amp hour would be even better. When I did test with other brand of snow shovel before, you move the amp power up and you get more power, more torque. So maybe that's all it needed. This is a nice size snow shovel, nice light, compact. Will go around your car no problem. So I think this is a good purchase.